Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Boost Coding, and in this video you will learn how to use push method in array. Without any further delay, let's start. First I will open my VS Code editor. I am using for this tutorial VS Code editor. It is optional. You can use any code editor. First I will create a variable here, let fruits. In this variable I will take two values, orange, and the second one is mango. Now what I want to add one more values inside in this variable. For this I want to use push method. But before we use this method, first understand what is push method. Guys, see carefully here. Push method is used to add one or more elements to the end of an array. End of an array. Listen carefully guys here. Syntax of this method: array dot push parameters element 1, element 2, element 3 and 4 and so on. Okay guys, you can use here multiple elements. Okay guys, I will show you through an example. Fruits dot push method and add that value which you want to add. I want to add apple. Let's console fruits, control S, save. Now I will go live server. You can open console in the browser through two methods. First, right click of the mouse and click on inspect, and you can use console. And the second method is shortcut control shift I. You can also use console. You can see the apple is add in this variable. Okay guys, let's more about this method. I want to know more about this method. Guys, remember these important points about this method. This method modifies the original array. And returns new length of the array and accept multiple arguments. Okay, let's through an example. Let's console fruits. So guys, you can see before this method we have two values, orange and mango. I want to add apple, and you can see the original value change here, fruits. And before this method we have two values, and after this we have three values. You can see the original value change. It modifies the original array. Okay guys, now it returns the new length of the array. I want to add one more elements. Let new fruits. I want to add push. I want to add kiwi. Let's console again fruits, and you can see after apple the kiwi is added here. Okay guys, you can see the original array modifies. Okay guys, now it returns new length of the array. Okay, let's check through console new fruits. So guys, you can see the length of the array 4. Okay guys, it returns new length of the array. Okay guys, if you want to know the new length of the array, you can use new variable. If you don't want to know the new length of the array, so you can use simple this method, fruits dot push. Okay guys, now the third point, let number. I want to create a new variable here, number, and 1 2 3 4 5. Now what I want to add I want to add more values inside in this variable through push method. And guys, you know that this method accepts multiple arguments. So let's add more elements: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, now I want to see number. So guys, you can see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is add after the fifth element, because this method add one or more elements end of an array. You can see 5 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, enough for this video. I hope you understand this method very well, and if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and share my video. If you think that my video is informative for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.